Hello and welcome back to another school year at HSA at Monroe Middle School. My name is Mr. Ray and I'm one of the physical education teachers. If you're ever looking for me in the school, you can always find me in the gym or in my office located in the boys' locker room. If you need to contact me, my email is cameron.ray@ucps.k12.nc.us. Or if you need to get in contact with me by phone, you can always call the main school line and they will be able to contact you with me from there. As you can see, I am part of the best PE team in the state. On the left-hand side, you have Mr. Cunningham. Beside him, you have Mr. Varney. And then next to him, you have Mr. Shea. And I am on the far right side wearing the number 52 jersey. This school year will definitely be different for all of us. But our classes will still be based on the North Carolina Helpful Living Standards. These standards support the following concepts. In physical education, students acquire the knowledge and skills for movement that provide the foundation for enjoyment, continued social development through physical activity, and access to a physically active lifestyle. The student exhibits a physically active lifestyle and understands the relationship between physical activity and health throughout the lifespan. On the days you are at the school, we will still provide some pretty typical PE activities. We will still run and play games. However, to help stop the spread of the coronavirus, we will need to plan our activities a little differently. We will also need to wear a mask, keep hands to ourselves, use hand sanitizers, wash our hands regularly, and practice social distancing. On the days you are not at school, your assignments will be on Canvas. Your grades will be based on your effort, your attitude, and your participation. We will have a rubric that will give you a guideline of what this looks like. You still need to wear the right shoes and clothes so you can participate in gym class. That is one of your expectations, that you must participate in PE class. I am looking forward to seeing you all very soon. Have a good day.